Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. This is Teacher Umi. Okay, for class today we will learn about missing number. Okay, first rule you need to complete the number 1 to 10. Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you guys get it? Okay, for the next rule, try to complete with mommy and daddy, okay? Alright, let's continue to page number 2. Okay, for page number 2, as you can see at example, you need to complete before and after number. Okay, let's see at the example one, okay? This one is 20. Okay, what number before 20? 90, right? Okay, next. What number after 20? It's 21. Okay. Okay, let's see to the blue plane. At middle column, we have 53. So what number before 53? It's 52. Okay, write down 52 here. Okay, next. What number after 53? It's 54. Okay, write down here. Alright. Finish this homework with mommy and daddy, okay? Good luck. See you next time. Bye.